So hello guys, welcome back to Daniel Moto Vlog. So here we are again with a new vlogs, and now one thing you can see, I'm not riding my Royal Enfield. Today I'm with KTM390 and we are going for the long ride. It's ADV390. Now after a cruise, this is the first adventure bike I'm riding. So நல்லா இருக்குல்ல? நம்மளுக்கு இங்க போகணும். எங்க இங்க ரொம்ப தூரம் இல்ல? Wow. So this is what we do always. Speed thrills, but it kills. So reason I took this. My wife was afraid. She doesn't like this because ये थोड़ा pillion seat थोड़ा ऊपर है, and in the cruise it's always in the ground. So she wants that comfort. So that's the reason she wasn't interested in this bike. But however, I forced her. मजा आएगा करके ना, अभी मजा ले रही है. the reason यहाँ पर इतना ट्रैफिक है. And also it's a festival season, so people will come to enjoy their days. So अभी तो पूरा tourist place will be packed because Saturday, Sunday, Monday actually is working, but most of the people will not come. वो छुट्टी ले लेंगे कुछ ना कुछ reason डाल के. And Tuesday is anyhow it's a leave. So it's a long weekend. So the same long weekend we can see there's an upcoming in December, Saturday, Sunday, then Monday is Christmas, then Tuesday you can Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday you'll take a leave, then directly you can come on next Monday. So that is a long weekend. KTM390 Adventure. So this is Tangam bike. One of my friend, उसका bike है. How sexy it is, na? It's all new, okay? So brand new. I'll show you around. So how it is, how really it's looking cool, huh? So थोड़ा ये paint निकला है. So this is how we are traveling. So इसके डब्बे के अंदर we have a bag. So that is superb. Paragliding जाना ज़रूरी है. So people are enjoying the moments.